Now I am going to deal with industrial microbiology. It especially focuses on the downstream processes. So industrial fermentation processes includes three main steps: upstream processing, fermentation process, and the downstream processing. The upstream processing includes formulation of the fermentation medium, sterilization of air, fermentation medium and the fermenter, inoculum preparation, and inoculation of the medium. The fermentation process. The fermentation process involves the propagation of the microorganism and production of the desired product. The fermentation process can be categorized depending on various parameters. Depending on the oxygen used, fermentation process categorized as aerobic fermentation and anaerobic fermentation. Depending on the feeding strategy of the culture and the medium into the fermenter, batch fermentation, continuous fermentation, and fed batch fermentation. Depending on the amount of free water in the medium, fermentation process may be categorized as solid state fermentation and submerged fermentation. The downstream processing. The downstream process includes recovery of the products in a pure state and the effluent treatment. Product recovery can be done by cell separation, disruption of cells, extraction and purification of the products. Effluents can be treated by chemical, physical, or biological methods. So this slide shows the downstream processing overall. Cell disruption. The cell disruption is used to recover the biotechnological products like vitamins and enzymes which are located within the cells. Such compounds have to be first released for their further processing and final isolation. The microorganisms or other cells can be disrupted by physical, chemical, or enzymatic methods. So these are the different methods of the cell disruption. It includes physical methods, chemical methods, and enzymatic methods. So solid liquid separation. The first step in product recovery is the separation of whole cells or other insoluble ingredients from the culture broth. The term harvesting of the microbial cells is used for the separation of cells from the culture medium. Solid liquid separation can be done by flotation, flocculation, filtration, and centrifugation. Concentration. The filtrate that is free from suspended particles usually contains 80 to 98% of water. The desired product is very minor constituent. The water has to be removed to achieve the product concentration. The commonly used techniques for concentration biological products are evaporation, liquid extraction, membrane filtration, precipitation, and adsorption. The actual procedure adopted depends on the nature of the desired product and the cost. Thank you.